Soft wind echoes through the tunnel, distant metal striking stone. A deep bass slowly rises, whispered voices. From the belly of the earth where the sun won't shine, 300 meters down, crossing every line. With a fading red lamp and a heart of stone, searching for the glitter in the bark alone. From the north to the red dust inside his lungs, 1,000 whisper stories spoken in many tongues. He doesn't ask for much, just a chance to rise, a spark of light in the darkness, burning in his eyes. They crawl it illegal because it's survival. Down in the silent tunnels, every man is his rival. Zama, 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 from Lagos streets to Joburg nights, the rhythm moves the same. Different roads, different struggles, but we all play the same game. He washes through the gravel, searching in the sand. You wait up tomorrow, resting in his hands. 1 gram for the baby, 1 gram for the bread. Walking narrow edges, where the brave still tread. But her heart runs cold. We trade our shadows just to find the gold.